On this video right I'm going to show you how you can restore data on Samsung mobile phone. So friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. So first thing is that you have to click on setting, then from here you have to scroll on the down, and here you can see the option of the account and backup option. Just click on account and backup, then from here you can see restore data. Okay, so click on restore data. From here you can restore your data on Samsung mobile phone. Okay, so this one I just write the Mesa F. Then you can untick also if you don't want to restore from call logs or from the messages, you can untick. Okay, this is the untick options. Okay, and if you want to restore all, then here on the down you can see the restore option. Just click on restore and it will be restored successfully. Okay friends, so this is how you can restore your phone. So friends, hope you loved the video, and if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.